Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because tonight I have a spooky but fun story to share with you. It's about a little mouse who had a surprising adventure. I think you'll all love it.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like ours, there was a little mouse named Max. Max was brave but very curious. One night, Max heard a strange sound coming from the old oak tree at the edge of the forest. It sounded like a soft whispering.
Oh, what was it, Benji?
Max decided to find out. As he got closer to the tree, the whispering grew louder. He noticed a tiny door at the base of the tree, something he had never seen before. Gathering his courage, Max pushed the door open and peeked inside.
What did Max see?
Inside, Max saw a dimly lit room filled with glowing mushrooms and sparkling lights. In the middle of the room was a tiny, old-looking book. The book was open, and as Max got closer, the pages began to turn by themselves. The whispering was coming from the book.
What did Max do next?
Max carefully closed the book, and the whispering stopped. Suddenly, the room filled with a soft, warm light. A friendly ghost named Jilly appeared and thanked Max for helping to quiet the book. Gilly explained that the book had magical stories that sometimes got a bit too excited and needed to be calmed down.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Gilly and Max became good friends. Gilly promised to share many magical stories with Max, but only if he promised to help keep the book calm. Max learned that sometimes even spooky things can turn out to be wonderful adventures.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, even when something seems a little scary, it can lead to the most amazing adventures if you face it with courage and kindness. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together. Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.